Cloves are a common spice found in kitchens worldwide, but most fail to realize that their medicinal properties have been used for centuries. Beyond their culinary uses, cloves offer a range of health benefits, particularly for the respiratory system, which is what we're going to cover in this video by breaking down the potential benefits of cloves for lung health, focusing on current knowledge and research findings. Be sure to watch until the end because there's one benefit that I think will surprise you. First and foremost, are cloves even good for your lungs? Believe it or not, cloves are rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which is why researchers believe that they can potentially benefit lung health. They help combat inflammation, fight infections, and act as an expectorant, making them beneficial for the respiratory system. However, it's important to note that cloves should not replace medical treatments for serious lung conditions. But with that said, now let's dive deeper into all the potential benefits of cloves for lung health. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves are packed with potent anti-inflammatory properties, making them particularly beneficial for lung health. When inflammation occurs in the respiratory system, it can lead to various respiratory ailments. The compounds in cloves, such as eugenol, have been shown to reduce inflammation effectively. This can be especially beneficial for conditions like bronchitis or other inflammatory lung diseases. By reducing inflammation, cloves help in alleviating symptoms like swelling and discomfort in the respiratory tract. Regular consumption or use of cloves in various forms, such as in teas or as an essential oil, can help maintain healthy lung function and prevent chronic inflammation. Number 2. Antioxidant effects. Cloves are a powerhouse of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in lung health. The antioxidants in cloves help combat oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can damage lung tissue and lead to various respiratory problems. These antioxidants not only protect the lungs from environmental pollutants and toxins, but also assist in repairing damaged lung tissue. Regular inclusion of cloves in the diet can strengthen the body's defense system against oxidative stress, thus enhancing overall respiratory health. This antioxidant property is especially beneficial for smokers or individuals exposed to high levels of air pollution, as it aids in reducing the harmful effects these factors can have on the lungs. Number 3. Antibacterial and antiviral properties. Cloves exhibit strong antibacterial and antiviral properties, which are highly beneficial for lung health. These properties make cloves an effective natural remedy for combating respiratory infections caused by bacteria and viruses. The active component in cloves, eugenol, is known for its ability to fight off pathogens that can lead to respiratory illnesses, such as the common cold, flu, and even pneumonia. Incorporating cloves into your diet or using clove oil as part of an aromatherapy can help in clearing up infections in the respiratory tract, providing relief from symptoms like congestion, coughing, and sore throat. Additionally, these properties may also help in preventing the onset of such infections, thereby maintaining healthy lung function. Number 4. Expectorant properties. Cloves serve as a natural expectorant, which is highly beneficial for those suffering from respiratory issues that involve mucus buildup. Expectorants help in loosening and expelling phlegm from the lungs, thus clearing the airways. This property of cloves is particularly useful for individuals dealing with conditions like bronchitis, where mucus accumulation is a major concern. Consuming cloves or inhaling steam infused with clove oil can facilitate the clearing of mucus, making breathing easier and more comfortable. The expectorant qualities of cloves not only provides immediate relief from congestion, but also aids in the overall improvement of respiratory function, ensuring that the air passages remain clear of mucus and phlegm. Number 5. Immune system support. Cloves are known for their ability to boost the immune system, a benefit that indirectly supports lung health. A strong immune system is crucial for fighting off respiratory infections and maintaining healthy lungs. The nutrients and compounds in cloves, such as vitamin C, eugenol, and flavonoids, play a key role in enhancing the body's immune response. This increased immunity helps the body to more effectively combat pathogens that target the respiratory system. Regular consumption of cloves can, therefore, help in reducing the frequency and severity of respiratory illnesses and, in turn, keep the lungs healthy. Additionally, a bolstered immune system is better equipped to deal with allergens and pollutants, reducing the risk of respiratory reactions and complications. Number 6. Reduce asthma symptoms. Cloves can be beneficial in reducing the symptoms of asthma, a chronic respiratory condition characterized by inflammation and narrowing of the airways. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves help in easing the inflammation in the respiratory tract, a common issue in asthma. Furthermore, their expectorant properties can assist in clearing mucus from the lungs, improving airflow and reducing the frequency of asthma attacks. By incorporating cloves into their diet or using clove oil in aromatherapy, individuals with asthma may experience a decrease in symptoms like wheezing, shortness of breath, and chest tightness. Additionally, the antioxidants present in cloves help in combating oxidative stress, which is often elevated in asthma patients, thereby providing a holistic approach to managing asthma symptoms. Number 7. Clove improve overall respiratory health. That's right, their combination of anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and expectorant properties work synergistically to support and enhance lung function. Regular use of cloves can help in soothing irritated respiratory tracts, protecting against environmental pollutants, and strengthening the lung's natural defense mechanisms. This makes cloves particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic respiratory conditions or those prone to respiratory infections. Additionally, the use of cloves in daily life, such as cooking or in herbal teas, can improve oxygen intake and enhance breathing efficiency. By promoting cleaner and healthier airways, cloves ensure the optimal functioning of the respiratory system, making breathing easier and more efficient. While cloves do offer several health benefits for the respiratory system, there are also some risks and precautions that I should mention. Consuming cloves in culinary quantities is generally safe. However, medicinal or excessive use can lead to adverse effects. The most significant risk comes from eugenol, the active compound in cloves, which in high doses can cause liver damage, blood thinning, and paradoxical respiratory issues. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should be cautious as there's limited research on the impact of high clove consumption during these periods. Cloves can also interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners and antiplatelet drugs, increasing the risk of bleeding. Allergic reactions, though rare, can also occur. Therefore, to safely incorporate cloves into your diet or health regimen, moderation is key. As always, be sure to consult a healthcare provider before using cloves for medicinal purposes, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. But as you can see, the potential benefits of cloves for lung health are diverse and significant. While cloves are not some majestical substance, their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, and expectorant properties suggest a positive impact on respiratory health. Cloves can contribute to reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract, fighting lung infections, clearing mucus buildup, and even alleviating asthma symptoms. Additionally, their role in boosting the immune system further supports lung health. However, it is important to remember that cloves should be considered a complementary approach, not a replacement for medical treatment. As with any natural remedy, consultation with healthcare professionals is advised, especially for those with existing health conditions. Cloves in various forms can be a valuable addition to a lifestyle that prioritizes lung health and overall well-being. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. There should be some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right about now that I think you will enjoy. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.